Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel Madam Axe. So today I am here before all of you with the NIFT GAT MFM 2020 original question paper, which is being presented to you first time on YouTube only by Madam Axe. So today I'll be discussing the solutions and explanations of the original question paper of Master of Fashion Management 2020, and we'll be basically discussing the communication ability GK and fashion GK questions today. So let's start with the video, and please like the video, do share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this amazing channel which is going to help you to crack the NIFT entrance exam 2021. Now coming to the GK questions first. So the question was, which vitamin is provided by the sunlight to human body? The options were vitamin A, option second vitamin B, option third vitamin C, and option D or option 4 was vitamin D. So our answer to this question is vitamin D, which is a very easy question, I think. Next is, during India's freedom movement, the Simon Commission visited India too. So this is a question from GK and the polity section has been asked here. Our options are: discuss the demand for the formation of Pakistan. Second is inquire into the progress of responsible government in India. Third is see the important historical places, and fourth is none of these. So our answer to this question is the second option. So Simon Commission, it visited India to inquire into the progress of responsible government in India. 97th question is, who was the last Governor General of India? So our options are Lord Wavell, second is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, third option Lord Mountbatten, and fourth option is C. Raj Gopalachari. So our answer to this question will be C. Raj Gopalachari. Fourth is, who among the following is popularly known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Options are option A, B.R. Ambedkar, option B, Mahatma Gandhi, option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and option D is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So our correct answer is first option, which is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called the father of the Indian Constitution. Next is, what does utility mean in economics? So in economics, what does it mean? Our options are: first, the capacity to provide comforts; second, the capacity to earn an income; third is the capacity to satisfy human wants; and fourth is the capacity to satisfy human motives. Our answer is the third option, which is the capacity to satisfy human wants. 104th question is, what is the reason for cloudy nights being warmer than clear nights? Options are: first, clouds radiate heat; option second, clouds prevent terrestrial radiation from escaping into the space; option third, clouds absorb the radiation from the sun; and option fourth is clouds reflect insolation. So second option is the correct answer. 105th is, where are the hot deserts of the world generally found? Options are: near the equator, option B, near the doldrums, option C, near the tropics, and option 4, near the tundras. So basically the hot deserts of the world, they are found near the tropics. So the third option will be the correct answer. Next is, which of the following Indian state is landlocked? First option Andhra Pradesh, second option Bihar, third option West Bengal, and fourth option is Kerala. So our answer to this question is second option Bihar. So it is a landlocked Indian state. Now 107th question, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Options are: President of India, option B, Prime Minister of India, option C, Parliament of India, and option D is Chief Justice of India. Our answer is first option, which is President of India. Now, 108th is the functions of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India include auditing and reporting on the receipts and expenditure of. First is union government only, second is state government only, third union and state governments, and fourth is union and state governments and companies substantially financed by both of these. So our correct option is the fourth option. 109th question is, how many members from the Anglo-Indian community can be nominated to Lok Sabha by the President of India? Options are, A option is 2, second option is 4, C option is 5, and D option is 6. So our correct answer is first option, which is 2 members can be nominated to Lok Sabha from the Anglo-Indian committee. From the Anglo-Indian community. 110th is, which is the largest public sector bank in India? Option A, Bank of Baroda. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Punjab National Bank. And option D, Canara Bank. So our answer to this question is State Bank of India. Next is, now they are given some one-word substitutions which we need to solve. These are the questions from the communication ability. So the first one is, a person who sneaks into a country. A person who sneaks into a country is called an infiltrator. So the third option is the correct answer. 10th is, a disease liable to be transmitted to people, organisms, etc. through air and water, and our answer is option number B, which is infectious disease is liable to be transmitted to people and organisms through air and water. Now coming to the spelling test questions. So the first one is, we have to tell the correct spelling of hypermnesia, and the correct spelling of hypermnesia is the fourth option, which is HYPERMNESIA. 12th is the spelling of resuscitate. Now resuscitate spelling is not resuscitate, is resuscitate. This is the word, and the first option is the correct answer for this. 13th is, we have to tell about resuscitation. So the correct spelling is the second spelling, resuscitation. So spellings are very important for you to learn because you can see that so difficult spellings, some of them are very difficult. So these are very confusing when 4 options are there. So you need to practice a lot of spellings every day so that you can excel in this section. 14th is, we have to tell the spelling of apotheosis, and the correct spelling is the third one, which is APOTHEOSIS. Coming to the 15th question, which is, we have to tell the spelling of imbroglio, and the correct spelling of imbroglio is the fourth option, IMBROGLIO. This is the correct spelling of imbroglio. Coming to the singular and plural section. 16th is switch. We have to tell the plural form of switch, which is very easy. It is switches. 17th, cat. We have to tell the plural form of cat, and the plural form of cat is the second option, which is cats. 18th is, we have to tell the plural form of scarf, and the plural form of scarf is scarves. 19th is pouch. The plural form of pouch, which is pouches. Now 20th is a homework for all of you, because since it is the most difficult question amongst these. Okay, it's not difficult, but amongst these. So 20th is the homework, means you have to answer in the comments so that I can also see how many of you are really studying. So 20th answer will have to be commented in the comment section by all of you who are watching this video and who are really the serious candidates. Coming to the next question, where we have to fill in the blanks. So choose the word which is opposite in meaning of the underlined word. So opposite in meaning. Please read the headlines or the questions very carefully before attempting them. So the first is Her desire to hoard everything in the house, even the pickle jars, was driven by avarice. Avarice is a kind of selfish behavior or a greedy behavior. And here, the option which is the correct option means we have to mark the opposite in meaning will be the third one, which is kindness. 22nd is, after taking a big bite of the carrots, the baby showed his repugnance by spitting out his mouthful. Repugnance is a lot of hatred when you have for something. That is called repugnance. So the 22nd option will be love. Love is just the opposite of hatred. 23rd is, some of the classic novels are too abstruse for beginning readers to understand. Now, abstruse means something which is very boring, it is not clearly explained. So, our answer will be the first option, which is obvious. 24th is, our special offers are intended to entice people to buy. Entice means to attract people. So to attract, the opposite of attract will be to repulse. So our answer will be the third option, to repulse. 25th is, she has always been tractable and obedient even as a child. So tractable is a person who is obedient, who listens to you, who is manageable, who is easy to deal with. Hence, the opposite of tractable is defiant. Defiant is a person who doesn't listen to any of your things and just does whatever he wants. So, defiant will be the answer. Coming to the next question, which is, choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. We have to tell the nearest in meaning to the underlined word. So, the waiter was polite and efficient but not obsequious. Obsequious's synonym will be sycophantic, means a kind of menial or a servile person is basically called a sycophant or an obsequious person. 27th is, my friend Satish always controverts the ideas that are almost universally accepted. So our answer here will be the second option, contradicts. So contradict is the synonym of controvert. 28th is, the drunk driver had no idea that his foolish decision would reverberate and destroy the lives of the 5 families. Reverberate means to echo. Something which echoes is called, it reverberates. So the synonym of reverberate is the second option, which is resound. 29th is, Vandana knew her husband was lying, but she still agreed to corroborate the story in the court. So corroborate means to support something with a proof, and its synonym is second option, substantiate, which also means to support a cause with a valid proof. 30th is, the dim light of the restaurant makes eating there a lugubrious experience. Lugubrious is a sad or a gloomy experience. Therefore, the synonym is the fourth option, which is gloomy. Now coming to the fashion GK questions. This is my most favorite subject, and if you want to join our online classes, you can contact me on Instagram and Facebook, where I'll be teaching you all the important fashion current affairs of the whole year of from January to December 2020, along with the important fashion GK questions and also the important and very selected words for the NIFT entrance exam 2021 at rupees 6,000 only. So if you want to join our classes, you can contact me on Instagram and Facebook. The links can be found in the description. You can also join our Telegram course, where you need to pay just half the amount and you'll get access to all our class notes, fashion GK notes, vocabulary notes and everything. So if you want to join, let me know. Now 89th is that which Indian celebrity launched her fashion brand 18 in collaboration with Puma, comprising sportswear, performance apparels and footwear. So our option for this is, correct answer is the third one, which is Virat Kohli. 90th is, fashion brands Imara, mistaken, and wrong belong to which of the following Indian companies? So they are asking the owner of these brands, and our answer is the first one, which is Universal Sports Biz Private Limited. 91st is Atulya, which is the popular fashion jewelry collection inspired from the rich and intricate architecture of Mughal era palaces, is from the house of. So our answer to this question is Reliance Jewels. Atulya is from Reliance. 92nd is who's the chairman of the Fashion Design Council of India, FDCI. This I taught you in my fashion GK classes. So if you haven't watched them, please watch all the classes. They are very, very important for you. So who's the chairman of FDCI? It is Sunil Sethi, the third option. Then the 93rd question is Color Plus and Park Avenue, the popular men's apparel brands belong to which of the following Indian companies? And our answer to this question is Raymond Group. This also has been taught in my Fashion GK class. So you can watch all the videos of Fashion GK. Next is fill in the blanks questions. So the first one is management can be called an exact science because management involves the study of human beings and human behavior and the dash of experiments carried out to evolve the principles of management are not capable of being accurately dashed. So our answer is outcomes and predicted, the second option. So management can be called an exact science because management involves the study of human beings and human behavior and the outcomes of the experiments carried out to solve the principles of management are not capable of being accurately predicted. This will be the correct sentence. Second is the voters must dash the political platform of the candidate, which includes core issues dash the candidate promises to resolve during his or her term in office. Our answer is the fourth option. So the voter must consider the political platform, which includes the core issues which the candidate promises to resolve. Third is an economic recession is dash by rising unemployment, increase in government borrowing, dash of share and stock prices and falling investments. Therefore, our answer will be the first option. An economic recession is characterized by rising unemployment, increase in government borrowing, and decrease of share and stock prices and falling investment. Fourth is banks are dash from other corporates, an important dash, and that makes corporate governance of banks not only different but also more critical. So in this, our option 4 is the correct answer, which is banks are different from other corporates in important aspects, and that makes them not only different but also more critical. The fifth one is the protection of basic human right is an absolute. Second option is the correct answer. Is an absolute necessity for the fullest development of an individual. Now coming to the last questions, which are based on the one word substitutions. So they are that someone who studies the characteristics of different varieties of human race and the relationship between them is called an ethnologist, the third option. Then seventh is engaged in deep or serious thought is someone who is a pensive person. So second option will be the correct answer. Eighth is a number of stars grouped together forming a recognizable pattern. It is obviously a constellation. Next, match the following question was asked, which was based on the Indian embroideries and the states or the regions to which they belong. And the options were Zardozi, Kastuti, Lambadi and Sujani. So our second option will be the correct answer, which means that Zardozi is from Uttar Pradesh, then Kasuti is from Karnataka, then Lambadi is from Andhra Pradesh and Sujani is from Bihar. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the video and really liked the video. And if you did, then please like the video, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook so that you can get all the important updates regarding this exam. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Happy learning.